Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix fail to update playlist error in the Modern Warfare 2. So I will show you the 3 methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. So in our first method, we just need to verify the integrity of game files. For this, open your Steam library and then right click on your Modern Warfare 2. Click on the properties and then click on the local files. Click on the verify integrity of the game files. So after completing this process, your problem may be fixed. Now moving to our second step, you just need to click on your search icon and then search here for the Windows Defender Firewall and then click to open it. Once it opens, you have to just click on the turn Windows Defender on or off and then turn it off in both the cases of private and the public network setting and then click on the OK. After completing this, you have to just move to the next step. Close this window and then open your unbox by pressing Window plus R at once and then search here for percentage local app data percentage and then click OK. And here at this interface you have to just search here for a folder which is named as temp. You have to just double click to open it and then search here for the Modern Warfare 2 folder. Right click on it and then click on the delete. Don't worry, this is a cached folder that is causing this type of the error. After completing this step, you have to just move one step back and then search here for the main folder of the Modern Warfare 2. Just double click to open it and make sure that you have to just delete the 4 files from here. The first file is named as the data0.dcache, data1.dcache, talk0.cache and talk1.cache. You have to just delete all of 4 files from here or the folders from here. So once you complete this, you have to just again open your unbox and this time search here for percentage, temp percentage and then click OK. So once you are here, you have to just select all and then right click and then click on the delete. Basically these all are the junk and the temporary files that is causing such type of the error in your Modern Warfare 2 and the other games. You have to just delete all of them. If some files are not deleting, then you have to just leave them and then close this window after completing this process and then restart your Modern Warfare 2 and your problem will be fixed. Sometimes it is helpful to update your Modern Warfare 2 to solve this error, so you must try this method as well. And the last thing you need to check is that your internet connection must be stable, as in some cases this is due to the network connection. So you have to just try to restart the router by turning on the airplane mode for 2 to 3 minutes and again turn it off. Restore your internet connection and restart your Modern Warfare 2 and your problem will be fixed. So that's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.